Here's how to remove the headlight switch from a Porsche 986 Boxster or 996 911. The way you're going to begin is by removing the knob. So keep it in the off position, pull the knob all the way out, and you will see underneath there is a tab in the middle with that golden detail. And you're going to want to, while holding this out, put a screwdriver up there and push straight up, and that will release the knob from the switch. So now with the knob removed, I can maybe better show the detail that slides a little bit right on the bottom there. You push that directly up, and that releases that tang inside that locks on there. So once that is off, there are going to be 3 Torx T20 screws. One of them is in there, right behind the knob. Then 2 are here, and I've already taken them out. They're on the ground there. But once those 3 are out, then you can remove the whole vent piece. Once the vent piece is out, you're going to want to remove the switch, and this is just mocked up. The switch is still going to be in the vent piece. And to do that, you're going to want to position the vent piece so that you can see the plug from the top. And the plug is this black piece with the harness coming out of it. And it slides on to the switch on these lugs. Let's see if I can show you how to get it off. What I had to do is I had to pry up one side at a time. There are a bunch of lugs going into that plug. Just gently pry it up little by little, and eventually it came off. And then there's one other small plug that controls the lights, sends power to the lights on the surround here. And you're gonna have to remove that as well. That is on the back there. That should just slide out with a tab. So you're gonna have to remove that switch and the main plug for the switch. Okay, here's the vent with the switch still in there. And now we're on the workbench. So the first thing that's gonna be done is to remove this 24mm lock nut. And that's just normal right-hand thread. So turn it left counterclockwise to loosen it. And then the next piece of the puzzle in order to remove this switch is going to be, if I can do this one-handed, you're going to want to grab the inside of this bezel here and brace against the vent, and you're going to want to pull it straight out. It shouldn't take too much force to pop out. And with that out, you're then going to come back here and you're going to rotate the switch counterclockwise looking at the bezel. Going to rotate it counterclockwise like that, just a couple degrees. And it should come straight out like that. And there you go. Now you're ready to replace that switch.